Hey party people, what I've got for you today is another awesome tech device. Recently I went over the JUFINX portable air duster that has a removable battery and it's USB-C rechargeable. And this thing's great for dusting your house, dusting your keyboard, cleaning your vents out, or any smaller air dusting tasks that you might need, and it packs a lot of punch in a small package. But sometimes you've got a bigger job, and that's when you gotta bring out the big guns. In this case, the big guns are the turbo fan. This is the JUFINX X21 turbo fan. It's got 1200 G's of super wind pressure, and it has a super big motor in it. So let's take a look at this thing, and we can talk about how awesome this whole package is. We'll take a quick look at everything that's in the box. I'll show you what the device looks like, and then I'll show you all the ways in which I've used it so far. So let's open it up. The little foam padding here. Have your documentation and instruction manual. Have the device itself. This thing's awesome. It's like an oversized hair dryer, and it feels really heavy and great in the hand. It's got a nice little trigger here. And then you just have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And you also have a nice little power brick with a fold-away adapter. And this is actually a 45-watt GAN charger with a USB-C output. So it's actually super nice that they include this, and it's not some crappy $5 adapter to charge a large device. It's actually a GAN charger, so this will work super well. As far as the device itself, you see the JUFINX logo. You see the little trigger here. It's got a nice grippable handle. It feels very heavy. You see the grill on the back here, and if you can look inside, you can see the fan on the inside. There it is on the other side with the little grill plate here. It has the USB-C charging port on the back, right above the power button. If you hit the power button, it makes a little noise letting you know that it turned on. And then listen to this baby purr. Now that's power. If you're a Tim Allen or Home Improvement fan, that probably made sense to you. Otherwise, I'm sorry for creeping you out. So what can you use this for? I'm in my basement and I just want to clean some dust up. There's some debris behind my HVAC system. There's some dust on the floor. There's some dust at the bottom of the steps here. There's some leaves that collected at the basement door. Take some of the petals off your driveway. Clean some debris out front of your garage and basement door. Blow some mulch off your steps. Blow some crumbs off your patio table. Clean off your patio chairs. Clean up some sawdust after working outside. Blow your kitchen rug across the floor. Blow some papers unnecessarily off the table to make people clean up after you. Hands-free launch your sick paper airplane. Or just scare your dog. I know you don't like that. And then when you're done, all you got to do is take this little adapter here, plug the USB-C in here, grab the JUFINX, plug the other end of the USB-C in here, plug this into the wall, and watch this baby charge to full. So yeah, overall, I think the JUFINX Turbo Fan, the X21, is an absolutely amazing device. It's a super compact leaf blower. It can accomplish big jobs like cleaning up your garage, cleaning up your basement from any kind of construction dust or sawdust. It can clean off tables outdoors or indoors, and it's just way more compact than a traditional leaf blower. And I also love the fact that it's USB-C rechargeable, making it really easy to keep this thing loaded up. You don't have to worry about gas or oil or anything like that. And I'd highly suggest, if you're looking for a useful leaf blower or air blower that has a lot of power in a pretty small package and also has USB recharging, and it's able to accomplish anything you want to accomplish that you would with a leaf blower or other large air blower, I highly suggest you pick up the JUFINX X21. And then if you need something small for around the house, I would suggest you pick up the smaller air duster version. Both of these are going to be useful every day in my household. I'll be blowing off the patio and the steps out front with this, and I'll be cleaning my keyboard and my air vents with the little guy. So if you want either of these devices, check out the links below. If you like tech and tool review videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe because it helps the channel out a lot. Thank you as always for watching. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.